In the beginning, when God created everything, the earth was null and void, and the darkness was spreading everywhere. And God said, "Let there be light." The same thing that Christ taught us, "I am the light of the world, and you are also light of the world." So let us sing. We shall all of us sing in the liturgy. വെളിവ് നിറഞ്ഞോരീശോ, വെളിവു നിറഞ്ഞോരീശോ നിൻ വെളിവാ കാണുന്നു, വെളിവു